Good morning, students. Hi, I IK Misra once again came here for you. Students, this is the seventh part of the video series of chapter 5 fraction. Students, in previous videos I explained how will you add two or more fractions. That means the process of addition of fractions. And I told to do some questions of your exercise 5A. Students, today I am going to discuss some important questions or some questions of your exercise 5E, and after that I think you will complete your exercise. Students, here now start the exercise. Students, here it's question number 15 of exercise 5E. Find the sum of 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 whole 1 by 5, 1 by 8 plus 3 whole 5 by 16. Now friends, I think this type of questions is already discussed in your explanation video. If you didn't watch that video carefully, then watch that video carefully and understand the process. And I give you suggestion, first try to solve all of these questions. Here in all of these questions only do addition of fractions. So I think you will complete and then watch this video for making your answer correctly and then send me your homework. So friends, here I discuss 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 whole 5 by 8 plus 3 whole 5 by 16. Students, here it's a whole number and you can write it 2 upon 1 plus here 3 upon 4, 3 by 4, and plus here it's an improper fraction. Here first of all change into proper fraction, into here a mixed fraction and change into improper fraction. Here add multiply 8 and plus 5, 13 upon 8, and plus here 16 into 3, 48, and plus 5, 53 by 16. After that, students, find the LCM of all of this, and here LCM of 1, 4, 8 and 16 is equal to 16. You can check your LCM by doing the process. Here I directly write the LCM. After that, write in denominator LCM 16, and when you divide 16 by 1 in 16 times, so here 2 into 16 plus 3 into here divide 16 by 4, that means 4 times, and plus 13 into here 2 times, and 2 plus 53 into 1. Clear, students? Now here write 16 and then here 32 plus 12 plus 26 plus 53. Students, after that you can easily add all of the numerator 3, 6, 9 to 11, 11 to 13, 3 carry 1, 6 to 8, 1, 9, 9, 3, 12, 123 by 16. Students, here it is an improper fraction and you can change it into mixed fraction. So its answer is equal to, when you divide it, then it will be divisible by 7 times 1, 1, 2, that means 1, 1 by 16. 16 7s are 1, 1, 2, and when you add 11, it will be answer. So it's your answer of a question number 15. Similarly, students, here carefully read the question number 16. Rohit bought a pencil for rupees 3 whole 2 by 5 and a eraser for rupees 2 whole 7 by 10. What is the total cost of both of the articles? Here, students, it's no a big question. It's very easy. Here, total cost, that means add the this price of pencil and price of eraser. So first write price of pencil is equal to rupees 3 whole 2 by 5. Price of eraser and eraser is equal to rupees 2 whole 7 by 10. So total cost of the articles is equal to sum of this is equal to rupees 3 whole 2 by 5 plus 2 whole 7 by 10. Clear, students? And I think you can add easily of this. Here is equal to, here first of all change this into improper fraction, that means 15 plus 2 17 by 15, 17 by 5 plus after that 27 by 10. Here, students, LCM is equal to 10. LCM will be 10 and 2 times, that means 34 plus here 27. That means after that 1 7 4 11 and 3 3 6 61 by 10. Here, students, when you divide it, result equal to 6 whole 1 by 10. So total cost is equal to 6 whole 1 by 10 rupees, 6 whole 1 by 10. Students, similarly here add, here read this question number 17. In question number 17, Sohini bought 4 whole 1 by 2 meter cloth of her kurta and 2 whole 2 by 3 meter of cloth for her pajamas. How much cloth did she purchase in all? Friends, here total purchases of cloth will be sum of these two cloths. So here first of all write length of cloth, that means cloth for kurta is equal to 4 whole 1 by 2 meter. Now cloth for pajama is equal to 2 whole 2 by 3 meter. So total purchased cloth is equal to 4 whole 1 by 2 plus 2 whole 2 by 3 meter. So students, here first of all add and multiply it 9 by 2 plus here 6 to 8 by 3. Here LCM is equal to 6 and here 3 times 27 plus here 2 times and 16 is equal to 3 and 4, 43 by 6. Students, after that, here 7 whole 1 by 6. That means total cloth is equal to 7 whole 1 by 6 meter. Clear, students? Similarly, students, you can solve question number 18. Here I didn't write question number 18. After that, write 19. Question number 19. You can easily add the in question number 18 and solve it. I discuss here question number 19. Number 19. The weight of an empty gas cylinder is 16 whole 4 by 5 kg and it's contain 14 whole 2 by 3 kg of gas. What is the weight of cylinder filled with gas? That means you have to find the weight of cylinder filled with gases. So here, students, clear? You have to add this total weight, and first of all write weight of empty cylinder is equal to 16 whole 4 by 5 kg. After that, weight of gas is equal to 14 whole 2 by 3 kg. So weight of cylinder filled with gas is equal to 16 whole 4 upon 5 plus 14 whole 2 by 3. Students, first of all, change it into improper fraction, and 16 into 5 80 and 84 by 5 plus here 42 into 42 plus 2 44 by 3. After that, students, LCM 15. LCM of it is 15 and here 3 times, that means here 84 into 3 plus here 44 into 5. After that, here you have to add, multiply 2 and 24 25 here. After that, plus 0 and 2 by 15. When you add this 2 7 and 4 15. Clear, students? You can do divide it here 15 9 times, no, 3 times here 45 and remainder 2 1 times, and here you divide 15 4 7 2 here 3 times 45 2 and 1 times 15 remainder 7 here 31 whole 7 by 15. So weight of cylinder filled with gas is equal to 31 whole 7 by 15 kg. Clear, friends? Similarly, you can do any questions of sum of the fractions. here it is completed. That's all. Thank you.